Okay, so if you're a single designer, come closer. This video is for you. Both if you're a man, if you're a lady, but you are single, you're not married, come closer. Bring your chair closer. This video is for you. Now, I know a lot of fashion designers that are single. Let me start from the men first. Now, if you're a male fashion designer, you are single, you are up to the age of getting married, or you have started craving or wishing to get married, please watch this video to the end. Now, before you venture into marriage, please, I'm begging you, even if you have been sewing for long, even if you have someone you truly love, even if you are at the verge of getting married, before you're married, please look into your business, look into your shop. How many machines do you have? How many workers do you have? Hold on, let me explain. If you really want to get married and you know that fashion designing is the only business that you have, fashion designing is the only thing that gives you money, and you have only one machine, my brother, don't get married. Now, the reason I am saying this is because when you get married, there will be a lot of unforeseen challenges, unforeseen expenses that will come with marriage. Even if you have the capital that you have set aside to get married, but you don't have like 3 to 4 machines, you don't have at least 2 workers that are working for you, my brother, don't get married yet. Use that money, buy more machines, employ 2 or 3 workers more, so that in your absence, your business will be growing, will be moving. Your absence, which I mean, when you get married and maybe you are busy in your family with your wife, or you went for a program, your office should be functioning. It should no longer be a one-man's business. It should no longer be only when you are around that the work will be moving. No, it should be in a situation whereby even if you attend a program, a wedding, you traveled, your shop will be running, your workers will be right there working for you. Now, time has gone when fashion designing is a one-man show. It's not possible. Only you cannot go to the market, buy fabrics, come back and cut, do your designing, go back to do monogram or embroidering, buy lining, go for the runs, do the gumming, do the coupling, do the finishing, do the laundry. It's no longer possible that way. If you truly, truly wish to live a life that is ideal, so make sure you buy at least 3 machines, 1 weaving, and then make sure you have at least 2 workers that is working for you. And make sure you also have the capacity to take in apprentices, at least 5 to 10 people. Now, organize your business in a way that in your absence, it will be giving you income. And also make sure that you grow your brand in a way that in a week, you will be able to predict your minimum income. In a week, you should be able to predict at least, say, I will get like, let's say 50K this week after all expenses. Now, if you're not able yet to articulate your income, the minimum, please don't get married. Arrange yourself. Marriage comes with a lot of responsibilities. Marriage comes with a lot of problems, a lot of tasks and bills. Marriage comes with a lot of involvements. So don't assume everything you see on social media is not really how it is. Behind the scene, most people are suffering. The cost of feeding alone is exorbitant. The rent is exorbitant. Not to talk of medical bills that comes when you get involved in any ill health. So focus more on your brand. Give yourself like a year or 2 to build your brand to a certain level. You can decide to go and pay bride price, give your wives, people the drink and everything, secure your wife. but then don't go into full wedding and everything flamboyantly, because the money you will spend on those things could go a long way to help you to grow your business. Remember, there's no best wedding, there's no worst wedding. So if you happen to do yours in a low key and it works for you, fine and good, you are good to go. No one will come to bully you. No one will come to ask you why you did not do a flamboyant wedding. It's just a day program and it's all over, right? So I will suggest you use the money, build your brand, and then have a better income stream than while you go into marriage. Because daily feeding, my sister, my brother, is very exorbitant. Then for the ladies whom are fashion designers that are also craving to get married, my sister, please, before you fully go into that marriage, make sure you have a brand you have registered. Make sure you have a business, a brand that you can say, this is my brand. Open everything to be official. Separate your business from your personal life so that you'll be able to attend to them equally or squarely, right? Now, make sure you have learned the skill very well. The skill, you must have learned it very well. And make sure as well that the partner you are getting married to is going to be a supportive partner, because some partners might not like you to continue your fashion business. So make sure that when you are dating the guy or the man, make sure you discuss with him, baby or honey, what is my hope or my faith when I get married to you? My fashion business, is it going to continue? Is it going to stop? Or is it going to boom? Is he ready to invest in your brand? Does he believe in you? Does he see you as someone that can grow a business? All of these things are essential, because when you don't ask or know why dating, when you get married, when he now starts exhibiting his true character or true color, you will no longer have anywhere to go. You'll be frustrated. He might be someone that likes you to be at home and you will not like it. There will be a problem, right? So these things I'm saying now are very, very essential, vital points for everyone whom is or are at the verge of getting married. Make sure you marry your partner that God designed for you. Now, for the guys as well, if you're getting married, please marry someone that also has a skill. Either she's working, either she will be eager to join you in your business, your fashion business, either she's eager to learn. So you give yourself like a year or two. Give her room to learn and grow, right? So don't marry a liability, because most times when you are a struggling young man and you finally go into marriage and you marry someone whom is just there, that does not have any contribution she's making to the family, it will get to a point where it will weigh you down and unnecessary quarrels will start coming in. But if you marry someone whom is supportive, I'm not saying that she must be bringing money for you, no, but she's supporting your business. Like, for example, maybe she wakes up in the morning, try the best to encourage you or to ginger you. Let's go to shop. Let's go and walk. When you guys get to the shop, she helps to sweep, tidy up some things, helps you fold the fabrics, helps you go and buy linings, helps and do some menial jobs. Those things will be a relief to you. And the love will be now deep-rooted. You will love her above the normal love level. You will not see her as your partner in family, partner in business, and partner in everything, right? So that kind of love will give you more room for deeper understanding. And she will also be understanding your income level. And she will know the actual expenses. She will know the actual struggle you pass through to make any 1 naira. So she will not be billing you more than expected. When you bring 5,000 naira, she will know the worth of the 5,000. She will know that, this 5,000 naira you have brought must have been someone's part payment, or must have been someone's gain, must have been some jobs you did that this is the money that is left. She will value every 1 naira that you bring to the table for the family to use. So, and she will also plan the family with the income level you have, than, pushing you to go and rent bigger flats, go and buy a car, go and do some big monetary involvement, which you are not ready to do yet, because she's over assuming that you make money. But when she's in the field with you, making the clothes, she will understand. Likewise, when she's working, she will know the worth of every 1 naira that is being paid to her. She will use her own money to calculate your own and know that, this my oga or this my husband is trying. You get? So this is just a very big advice for most of us at the verge of getting married. I'm not discouraging you, but I'm trying to tell you, give you a foresight on what you might encounter. So if you're also a tailor dreaming to marry a fellow tailor, fine and good. It's still very much acceptable. It works. It works for me, right? It should also work for you. All you need to do is planning, proper planning. Have workers that will help you guys to produce while you do the job sourcing, fabric sourcing, styling, and sometimes cutting. Some jobs that has been being produced in my place for the past 6 months, I just get the fabric, get the design, do the cutting for them, and direct them, and I'm done. And they do the cutting. While I focus on the teaching aspect for my students. So, and conclusively, I will also encourage you to try and have a monetized platform, either YouTube or Facebook. Now, these either platforms will help to, come to your rescue at point of need. Try to start building a platform that will be monetizable on the long run. Thanks for watching. I wish you the very best. And I know this video will go a long way to inspire most of us on this platform. Don't forget to comment, share your thoughts, ask your questions in the comment section. I will go through them to respond where necessary. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.